Here's a detailed overview of Express.js. What is Express.js? Express.js is a minimalist, fast, and flexible web application framework for Node.js. It simplifies the process of creating robust backends and APIs by abstracting a lot of the boilerplate that would otherwise be required with plain Node.js. Key features. Minimal core. Express is lightweight and unopinionated. You only add what you need. Routing supports defining routes, get, post, put, delete, etc., easily with app.get, app.post, and so on. Middleware support. Middleware are functions that have access to the request, rec, response, res, and next objects. They allow you to add custom logic such as authentication, logging, error handling, and more. Template engine integration. Express supports view engines like Pug, EJS, or Handlebars for rendering dynamic HTML. RESTful APIs. Its routing and middleware support make it ideal for REST API development. Error handling provides a straightforward way to handle errors with custom error handling middleware. Extensibility. You can add NPM packages or custom modules to scale features as needed. Core concepts. 1. Application. Create an app instance. JavaScript const express equals require express. Const app equals express. 2. Routing respond to client requests. JavaScript app.get/users res.send user list. 3. Middleware. Middleware can intercept and process requests. JavaScript app.use req res next console.log ric.method ric.url next. 4. Error handling. Error handling middleware. JavaScript app.use ric res next res.status 500 send server error. 5. Static files. Serve static assets easily. JavaScript app.use express.static public. 6. Template engines. Configure a template engine. JavaScript app.set view engine EJS. Typical project structure. Project public / static assets, routes, route files, views, template files, EJS pug, app.js. Main app setup, packaged JSON. Why use Express.js? Simplicity. Extremely beginner-friendly. Scalable. Suitable for both small apps and large-scale services. Active ecosystem. Extensive community, docs, and NPM modules. Integration. Fits seamlessly with MongoDB, Passport.js, Socket.io, etc. Typical use cases. RESTful APIs, backend for SPAs, React, Vue, Angular. Microservices, rapid prototyping, server-side rendered apps. Example, basic Express server. JavaScript const express require express. Const app equals express. app.get/rec res.send hello world from Express.js. app.listen 3000, console.log server running at h//localhost 3000. Official resources, website, Express.js GitHub, github.com/expressjsexpress. Let me know if you'd also like examples, tutorials, or best practices for using Express.js.